What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. There are many ways to earn money from social media right now. You can become a content creator, an influencer, and a gamer and earn a lot of money if you use the correct strategies. One way to earn quick money these days is from YouTube Shorts. Whether you're already a content creator on YouTube or not, using YouTube Shorts can help make extra money. Here are ways to make $2,000 daily from YouTube Shorts fast. Make money from YouTube Shorts 2022. Number 7. YouTube Shorts. Ever since smartphones have become easily available in the market, you can have access to all sorts of content through them. Majority of the people like watching videos that are short and can convey the message within a few seconds without hindering them from work in their hectic schedules. Since a lot of people flock to the TikTok app to get some sort of entertainment in their busy routines, Google also came up with a TikTok-style platform called YouTube Shorts. You need to be logged into your Google account to use both YouTube and YouTube Shorts. It can be accessed through both iOS and Android. The target audience of YouTube Shorts is mostly artists and creators who are looking to put their content out and get noticed right away. Some people are YouTube Shorts users to gain more subscribers and become eligible for YouTube Partnership Program. There are a lot of content types that the audience wishes to see. They could especially include entertainment. While movies or TV shows are very entertaining and can easily get the audience hooked, a 10 to a 15-second source of entertainment can also entertain your audience while keeping them engaged. Another one is gaming. While there are a lot of gamers that upload in-depth walkthroughs of the games that everyone plays, you can show your skills for 15 seconds or give tips and tricks to become better gamers if you have any. Some people love watching DIYs and how people convert something useless into something very unique and pretty. Or some people like watching tech videos where they unbox technological gadgets and explain their features and take them for a test drive. Some of the other genres are animals, music, education, people and places, etc. Number 6. Content requirements. Like TikTok, where anyone can upload whatever they want, YouTube Shorts has a few guidelines that must be followed. YouTube Shorts require that the videos must be no longer than 60 seconds. The videos should also be shot in a vertical frame as the app doesn't support landscape orientation. You can join multiple short videos together, but the timing should be no longer than 60 seconds. If you're posting a YouTube short video, the title must include the word shorts, or the description must contain #shorts. Number 5. YouTube Shorts Fun. If you want to earn money from YouTube Shorts, then you ended up in the right place. YouTube Shorts isn't the only way to earn money by generating funds. Google and YouTube allow you to earn in a few other ways as well. One of them is YouTube Shorts Fund. In May of 2021, the YouTube Shorts Fund was introduced. It's a $100 million fund that's to be distributed in 2021 and 2022. This was the first step toward the monetization of shorts on YouTube. There are also requirements to be eligible for the fund. So many content creators will get a bonus through that. The requirements you need to meet are to publish a video in the last 180 days. It's also necessary that your channel doesn't go against YouTube's guidelines, rules of copyrights, and policies of YouTube. The content you put on YouTube Shorts has to be unique to be eligible. Uploading scenes from movies or stealing someone else's content or uploading videos you obtain from other platforms are prohibited. These videos have to be 100% unique. To become a YouTube Shorts creator, you also have to be older than 13. These are some of the requirements you need to meet to become eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Number 4. Revenue and channel membership. A huge part of earning money through social media is revenue. You need revenue for your content to thrive as much as you need oxygen to survive. YouTube has introduced revenue by advertisement in every video. There are usually 2 ads at the beginning of a YouTube video or a few of them in between. By using this method, your content can grow and reach a lot more people. Just like a regular YouTube video, you can also put ads in YouTube Shorts videos. Advertisements help generate funds which goes to YouTube and some of it is shared with you. The more videos you put up on YouTube that have ads, the more money you can make. Another way to earn more money is by providing paid partnerships to your audience. Subscribers that are interested in your work might also want to engage with you personally. You can provide your audience with perks that a subscriber without a partnership would never have. Number 3. Affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. Another way of earning money with YouTube is by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the way to earn money even while you sleep. You can create a website or blog for it, promote different products, make targeted campaigns, and help users purchase the right thing for their needs. One way to do affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts is to put links to the products you want to sell under a random 15-second video. What you can do is download any kind of aesthetic video from TikTok or Pinterest. You can download the TikTok videos and upload them on YouTube Shorts with the link in the description. You can link products to your videos from an affiliate marketplace called Digistore. There, whoever clicks on the link would be directed towards the product, and if they buy it, you'll get a commission out of it. Number 2. Merch, influencer, and super chat. So many YouTubers who already make so much money from YouTube decided to make their own merch too, and this is no doubt a great idea to invest some money in if you have an audience who'd be willing to buy your stuff. You can sell your products to your audience who will also be your customers. Another way of making money through YouTube is by being an influencer. If you think your words and your voice have the power to motivate people and have the ability to talk to them, you should definitely consider becoming an influencer. If you can grow an audience on YouTube by being an influencer, you can get multiple associations and organizations to help you earn more money by promoting products of the companies that come to you for collaboration. Yet another way to earn money is through Super Chat and Super Stickers. This way, you can talk to your audience and engage with them while also charging them for it. Number 1. YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is the paid version of YouTube where the content creators put up content that people will want to pay for. You can earn money by putting out engaging and informative content that your audience would pay to see. If your subscribers purchase the YouTube Premium membership, the profits generated by users will go directly to you. YouTube Shorts didn't have monetization before, but now that they're being monetized, YouTube is growing to be a more income-generating app. You can publish your YouTube Shorts videos on your channel and your Shorts shelf. Depending on the keywords you've used in the description or title, YouTube suggests these clips to the audience who might have similar interests. If the audience watches your Shorts videos and likes your content, they might end up subscribing to your channel and watching the regular videos that you've posted. This way, you could attract more audiences through YouTube Shorts. Another great thing about YouTube Shorts is their views. If there's a large number of views on your Shorts videos, it will affect the overall analytics of your YouTube channel. For views and playback duration, YouTube Shorts can play an important role in meeting the policies of YouTube to get your regular videos monetized. If you start posting videos on YouTube Shorts, it will also start to affect the view count and playback duration of your entire channel. These Shorts videos will help you reach the minimum threshold for getting monetization on your videos that YouTube offers. So there you have it, guys. These are the ways you can make money from the platform of YouTube. YouTube is indeed a great money-making app if you just know the tricks. And this brings the curtains down to yet another great video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and do be sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos going forward. Bye now!